Hey everyone, welcome back to WordSprout. Let's get started with today's lesson. Today we're focusing on the pattern I wish. It's a really useful phrase in English that allows you to express things you want to be different or things you regret. Do you know about this pattern? No worries if you don't, I'm here to help you master it. I wish is often used when we want to talk about something that isn't happening the way we want it to. For example, maybe you're thinking about a situation and you want it to be different. Here's a simple example. I wish I had more free time. Notice how we use the past tense had, even though we're talking about the present or future. That's because I wish talks about things that are not real right now, but we want them to be. Let's go through some more examples, so you can see how useful this is in everyday life. Imagine you're studying for a big test, but you feel unprepared. You might say, I wish I had studied more for the exam. Or maybe it's raining, and you have plans to go outside. You could say, I wish it wasn't raining today. See how we use the past tense? That's how English works when you want to express a wish for something different in the present or future. I wish is also great for talking about things you hope will happen, but with a little twist. When you're thinking about something in the future, you can express a hope for a different outcome, but you still use the past tense. Like this. I wish I could travel next week. I wish I didn't have to work tomorrow. Now, these aren't real yet, but you're expressing a hope that things could be different. Just keep in mind, we still use the past tense. Practice section. Now it's your turn to practice. I'll give you a few sentences, and I want you to try using I wish to make them express something different. You don't have a car? How would you express a wish for a car? I wish I had a car. You didn't get a good night's sleep. How can you use I wish to talk about your sleep? I wish I had slept better. Awesome! You're getting the hang of it. I wish is such a powerful phrase to express desires or regrets in English, and now you know how to use it confidently. Hope you had a great day. Share your I wish sentences in the comments below. And as always, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more English lessons. See you next time.